Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn about the long vowel sound E. Repeat after me.
E, E,
मेरे साथ पढ़ें.
E, E.
Let's practice some words that have this sound, like fleece and sea.
आइए हम कुछ ऐसे अल्फाज की मशक करते हैं जिनमें ये आवाज हो जैसे फ्लीस और सी.
Now, you try. Repeat after me. Fleece. Sea. Some languages make it difficult to tell the difference between the long vowel
E,
and short vowel.
E,
कुछ ज़ुबानें ये मुश्किल बना देती हैं कि तवील वावल
E,
और मुख्तसर वावल
E.
के फ़र्क को समझा जा सके.
Let's listen to some examples. Listen carefully and repeat after me.
अच्छी तरह सुने और मेरे बाद दोहराएं.
Liter, litter. Cheap, chip. Feet, fit. His, pitch, pitch. Sheep, ship. Great job! Now you know the difference between the long vowel sound E and other similar sounds. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time.